Cora, look at mommy and smile.
I'm gonna take a video.
Oh.
Are you showing him how to do it, Cora? What do you think, Jason? You're almost 2 months, and you're in the bouncy chair. And Cora, how old are you?
3.
3?
No, you're not.
You're 2.
I'm 2.
What do you think, buddy? Still figuring out life? Okay, say bye-bye, Peppa.
Bye-bye, Peppa.